Introduction social media has transformed the way businesses connect with audiences, and insurance agents in New York are no exception. These platforms provide a unique opportunity to engage directly with potential clients, build relationships, and ultimately expand one's client base. As insurance agents navigate the bustling New York market, the importance of adopting a strategic approach to social media marketing cannot be overstated. It serves as both a networking tool and a means to offer valuable insights, making agents more approachable and trusted by their clients. With the saturation of social media networks, successfully managing marketing efforts can sometimes feel overwhelming. However, a well-constructed social media strategy can simplify the process and amplify results. By embracing these platforms, insurance agents can reach more individuals looking for the services they provide, fostering trust and loyalty among clients. This direct engagement with customers opens avenues for feedback and continuous improvement, ultimately refining services to meet customer needs better. Setting up your profile for success. Your profile is your digital business card, making it an essential part of your social media strategy. Presenting a professional and fully completed profile is critical to making a strong first impression and encouraging potential clients to connect with you. To get started, here are some key points to consider. Craft a compelling bio. Keep your bio concise yet informative. Clearly state what you offer and highlight any special expertise or certifications. Use high-quality photos. Profile pictures should convey professionalism. A well-lit, clear headshot paired with a branded cover photo can enhance your credibility. Keep contact information up to date. Make sure that your phone number, email, and website are always up to date so potential clients can easily reach out to you. Additionally, keep your LinkedIn and Facebook pages consistent. Consistency across platforms strengthens your brand image. Adjust your privacy settings as necessary. Visibility is essential for contact while maintaining boundaries. Be sure to monitor and update your information as needed to reflect any changes in services or contact details. Through a precise professional image, trust is established long before a conversation begins. Creating engaging content. Once your profile is set up and looks professional, the next step is to focus on the content you share. Engaging content is the lifeblood of your social media presence, and it's what draws people in and keeps them interested. For insurance agents, this means sharing content that not only informs but also resonates with your audience on a personal level. 1. Share valuable insights. Offer tips and advice that can help your audience. This could be anything from explaining different types of insurance policies to offering advice on choosing the right coverage. 2. Use real-life examples. Personal stories or testimonials from clients can make your content more relatable and trustworthy. 3. Mix up content types. Use a variety of content forms like blogs, infographics, and short videos to keep your feed dynamic and interesting. 4. Keep a balance. While promoting your services is important, make sure your content also provides value without feeling overly promotional. Your audience will appreciate the balance and learn to trust your expertise. 5. Incorporate visuals. Photos and videos can significantly boost engagement. Quick tutorials, live Q&A sessions, or even sharing day-to-day activities in the office can humanize your brand and make you more approachable. Interacting with your audience, engagement with your followers doesn't stop after posting content. Active interaction fosters community and trust, which are crucial for long-term success. Minding your responses and the way you handle interactions can make a significant difference. 1. Respond promptly. Make it a habit to reply to comments and messages quickly. It shows your audience you care and are attentive. 2. Use interactive posts. Polls or questions about insurance-related topics can increase engagement and get people talking. 3. Collaborate with influencers. Joining forces with well-known figures in your local community can extend your reach significantly. 4. Encourage user-generated content. Ask clients to share their experiences with your services and feature their stories on your page with their permission. Not only does it build credibility, but it also creates a sense of community. Analyzing your social media performance, understanding how your content performs, is key to refining your strategy. By tracking the right metrics, you can see what's working and what needs tweaking. 1. Engagement rates. Keep an eye on likes, shares, comments, and interactions. Higher engagement typically signals that your content is hitting the mark. 2. Follow growth trends. Monitor the increase in followers over time to assess your reach and influence. 3. Use analytics tools. Leverage tools to gather data on your post's performance. This data will guide you in understanding what content to continue, what to modify, and what to cease. 4. Adjust strategy. Accordingly, be willing to pivot and adapt your strategy based on what the data tells you. Flexibility ensures you stay relevant and effective in your approach. Crafting a lasting strategy, staying engaged and analytical is key to ongoing success in social media marketing. Regularly reassessing your strategy and making necessary adjustments keeps your approach fresh and effective. Consistency and effort is crucial to maintaining this momentum. Explore professional assistance when needed, as an outside perspective might provide valuable insights and help enhance your strategy effectively. Engaging with the community through social media not only grows your client base, but builds a network of trust and reliability, ensuring long-lasting relationships. Improve your approach to connecting with your audience and growing your client base by integrating effective social strategies. If you're looking to enhance your presence and effectiveness, check out how Ask 8 can assist with your insurance marketing services. Find the guidance needed to make your social media efforts impactful and tailor your marketing strategies to connect better with potential clients in New York. Why subscribe? Let's cut to the chase. This newsletter is designed to make your life easier, your marketing more effective, and your business more profitable. I'm not just giving you tips from a distance, I'm living it as a realtor, marketing expert, and consultant. I feel your pain because I've been in your shoes. And now I'm here to help you win. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for Ask 8 Strategies, Ask Auggie Smarts, and let's turn those leads into clients, simplify your marketing, and give your business the boost it deserves. Plus, I promise I'll keep it fun. No boring corporate stuff, just real talk, real strategies, and maybe even a dad joke or two. Lastly, you will always see me sign off with the same statement, which is at the core of who I am. Subscribe. A man's worth is not measured in the numbers in his bank account, but in the number of people that call him a friend. Agustin, Ask Auggie, Diaz Marketing Campaign. Plus, Smart Automation. Plus, Coaching. Success, Ask What Up. Internet marketing and lead generation services, all the best to your success.